The latest news from the military world comes from Pakistan and India, highlighting the technological prowess of the S-400 and F-16. But are these weapons truly as formidable as claimed, or is it merely a coincidence? On a quiet and tense night, India's military radar detected suspicious movements in the sky. A massive airstrike from central Pakistan was rapidly advancing towards strategic areas such as Jammu and Kashmir, Pathankot, and Udhampur. Without delay, India's air defense forces went on high alert. Within minutes, the Russian-made S-400 missile defense system was deployed. Known for its speed in detecting and neutralizing aerial threats, this system became the first shield protecting Indian soil. One by one, Pakistani missiles and unmanned aircraft targeting Indian military installations were successfully neutralized mid-air. However, this wasn't merely a defensive maneuver. Shortly after the attack was thwarted, India's Ministry of Defense confirmed that its armed forces had launched a coordinated counterattack. Their targets, Pakistan's air defense system, spread across several strategic locations. Previously, Pakistan had reportedly launched attacks on military targets at 15 different locations inside Indian territory. But the story doesn't end there. The role of the Russian S-400 in this situation goes beyond that. Keep your eyes on the story. Amid rising tensions between India and Pakistan, a significant event has taken place that highlights the superiority of India's advanced air defense system. According to a report by Opindia, the Russian-made S-400 air defense missile system successfully shot down a Pakistani F-16 fighter jet along with 2 JF-17 fighter aircraft during a barrage of artillery fire and drone attacks launched by Pakistan along border regions such as Jammu, Punjab, and Rajasthan. The crucial role of the S-400 was also emphasized by Air Marshal Sanjeev Kapoor, a retired senior officer of the Indian Air Force. In the Economic Times, Kapoor explained that this missile system provides a significant strategic advantage in critical situations, like the recent confrontation with Pakistan. He highlighted the S-400's ability to detect a variety of aerial threats from fighter jets and cruise missiles to drones, as well as its rapid deployment capability across different parts of India. With an effective range of up to 400 kilometers and the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously, the S-400 has proven to be an extremely effective defense system. Each unit can track up to 160 targets and engage 72 of them at once. Moreover, the system is even capable of countering medium-range ballistic missiles traveling at speeds close to 5 kilometers per second. Due to its remarkable capabilities, the system is locally nicknamed Sudarshan Chakra, a reference to its speed, precision, and destructive power. India signed a contract worth approximately $5.4 billion with Russia in 2018 to acquire 5 S-400 squadrons. Currently, 3 squadrons are operational, with the remaining 2 scheduled for delivery in 2026. If one is looking for proof of the S-400's effectiveness, its deployment in the Ukrainian battlefield provides a compelling case. Let's take a closer look at how Russia's S-400 air defense system has demonstrated its capabilities on the battlefield. For example, in an incident reported by the BBC, a Ukrainian F-16 fighter jet was shot down during a combat mission. Although it has not been confirmed whether the missile that struck the jet was launched from an S-400 system or from an air-to-air R-37 missile, it is known that 3 missiles were fired at the F-16, one of which successfully hit the target. The downing of the F-16, while surprising, is not impossible. The jet is indeed designed for aerial combat against fast-moving opponents, but when facing an integrated defense system like the S-400, the challenge increases significantly. The Russian S-400 system, equipped with the advanced 92 N6E radar, also known as Gravestone, is capable of tracking up to 100 targets simultaneously. Data from this radar is relayed in real time to missile launchers, which then fire projectiles traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 6. This capability allows Russian forces to engage an F-16 from a very safe distance, even before the jet can respond. Furthermore, Russia's strategy in operating the system is notably clever. They quickly reposition the launchers to avoid counterattacks from Ukraine, a tactic that makes it difficult for opponents to detect and neutralize the threat effectively. The exploitation of the F-16's operational vulnerabilities has become a key factor in the success of such attacks. Although widely known as an advanced and versatile fighter jet, the F-16 Fighting Falcon is not entirely free to operate under Pakistan's control. Described by the United States Air Force as a compact and multi-role combat aircraft, the F-16 is capable of detecting targets in all weather conditions and tracking low-flying aircraft hiding behind ground radar interference. However, despite its sophistication, there are limitations that cannot be ignored. The United States reportedly imposes strict controls on every F-16 exported to Pakistan. Each unit is equipped with an end-use monitoring system, a program designed to ensure these jets are used strictly in accordance with the terms and conditions set by Washington. In other words, Pakistan does not have full freedom to use the F-16s as it pleases. The situation is further complicated by the fact that the S-400 does not operate alone. It is typically integrated into a broader air defense network, working in coordination with other sensors and missile systems. In this context, the F-16's agility and speed become less meaningful when facing a highly sophisticated and layered defense system. Do you also think the F-16 is no longer relevant today? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.